Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Nike Ultrafly, a trail running shoe that promises comfort and performance on off-road adventures. I've been testing these out extensively, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you.
The Nike Ultrafly isn't your typical speed demon like the Vaporfly or Alphafly.
Instead, it's designed for those long hours on the trails, offering a smooth and steady ride. Let's break down its features and performance. Starting with the design, the Ultrafly sports a vaporweave upper that's reminiscent of Nike's road shoes.
It's breathable and offers a roomy toe box, which is great for long-distance runs where your feet need room to swell. The Vibram Mega Grip outsole provides excellent traction on moderate trails and even holds up well on some road surfaces. In terms of comfort, the ZoomX foam midsole paired with a carbon fly plate delivers a stable and consistent ride.
Unlike its road running counterparts,
the Ultrafly doesn't have that extremely bouncy feel but focuses more on comfort over longer distances. The shoe feels lightweight at 282 grams, making it suitable for extended wear without feeling overly heavy.
On the trail, the Ultrafly performs admirably.
It handles mixed terrain, including mud and rocky surfaces, with the Vibram outsole offering decent grip. However, it's more suited to moderate trails rather than technical terrains due to lighter protection features. It's definitely not a speed demon but shines in providing a reliable, cruising experience.
Should you buy the Nike Ultrafly? If you're looking for a comfortable trail shoe for longer distances and prefer a stable, cruisy ride over aggressive speed, then the Ultrafly could be a great fit for you.
It excels in comfort and reliability, making it ideal for endurance runners who prioritize a consistent experience.
If you're exploring alternatives, consider checking out the Nike ZoomX Vaporfly Next Percent 2 for a comparable road running experience, or
the Saucony Peregrine 12 for a more budget-friendly option. That wraps up our review of the Nike Ultrafly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.